I really don't think that we need pen and paper to solve this question. We do need to know one fact though, that is that the area of a triangle is half the product of its base times its height. And looking at these two triangles, you can see that they have the same height. They each have a height of
3.
So they have the same height. The question wanted to know, do they have the same area? And I would say, well, if their bases are equal, then they'll have the same area because their height is the same. So I would rephrase this question using the free info, which shows us that the height is the same height. I would rephrase the question to ask, are the bases the same? In other words, is C at the midpoint between 0 and D? So another way to say that is C half of D? Or is D equal to 2C? So now that we've rephrased the question to ask, is D equal to C? We can see that statement 2 tells us exactly that, and statement 1 doesn't. So I'm going to go ahead and pick answer choice B and move on to the next question.
If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.